Hello everyone! Today we're going to be building this Lego castle that I've made right here. So let's take it apart so I can show you how to build it in this fast. Alright, so I'm pretty much done. And I've got everything sorted out for you. So now I can just show you all the pieces we'll need. So 4 gray 1x2s, 2 light green, like very light green 1x2s, one of these 1x4 arch pieces. That's about 2 bricks high. 2 of these 1x1 cylinder pieces. One of these 2x6 flat pieces. 2 of these 1x2 slope pieces, and they're green. These 2 2x2s, and this 2x4. So let's show this out of the way and start with our green plate. And the green plate looks like this. Then we need to place our arch to start off our build. Then place some gray 1x2s. And then your light green ones, and then get these pieces that go like this, these 2x4 and this 2x2, and then put these 2 1x2s, put a 2x2 in the middle, and put these cylinder pieces back here, and then pop your slope pieces on like this, and there's our castle. If you want, move them forward just to make them look better, and there's our castle that we have just made. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!